Ivoni Salon is back once again with a new video of men's haircut and beard trimming. Keep watching the video to see the full hair transformation. So at first we decided to cut his hair. So without wasting any time, we proceed to trim his hair. We trim his hair from the back to create an undercut look. After the trimming, we combed his hair and cut the upper section of crown hair to give a more trimmed and clean look. Just when we finished our hair cutting process, we trimmed his beard to give a more clean and chic look. So this is the final result. If you like this transformation, do like, share and subscribe our video.